Well, we're out here at the Winter Garden Car Show. There's some great cars out here, and I just met a couple who has a old classic Bronco, and they actually heard our Bronco story online, and so we're gonna meet up with them and hear a little bit about their Bronco build.
We toured Velocity Restorations up in Pensacola Beach more than once, and decided that this look was the look to have.
Yep.
Theirs had a Coyote motor in it.
Ooh.
And was nearly $200,000.
Wow.
So we copied the look.
Yep.
And came in quite a bit under that.
Yep.
Even at this extent.
A lot under this. This came from Fayetteville, Arkansas. The builder is a school teacher, and he does one a year. So we asked him to do this one a little special.
Wow.
So that's the reason the state of Kentucky is on there and the state of Tennessee.
On the air cleaner, he put the state of Kentucky and Tennessee.
The heart is where I grew up.
Wow.
And the University of Tennessee is what
you
this...
have the perfect color because Tennessee is orange and the Denver Broncos are orange, right? So, I mean,
It took him about 2 years to restore it, but it's frame off, rotisserie restorated. So, because he was building a house, it took so long.
Wow.
We got it the 8th of June last year. We've had a lot of work done on it because the owner said that the motor had been rebuilt.
Yeah.
But he lied, so it hadn't been.
Gotcha.
So I had to put a new motor
We have a
in
new
there.
rebuilt 302 that we just put in it in the last month.
Oh yeah.
Now it has Phytech on it because I didn't want a carburetor.
Yeah. How's that working out?
So
Good?
far, so good. We've got some tweaking to do because
Yeah.
I'm not sure they put it in exactly right.
Gotcha.
But it's now the floor mats are cocoa mats. That company started in the 70s
Yeah.
to build mats for old cars. So you take a template, send it, and they will make it.
Nice.
But it's fun to drive.
Oh, yeah.
You know, that kind of thing. So
Did you guys have this one before it got restored, or did
No.
you find it for you?
he found the donor vehicle. I paid $1,200 for the donor vehicle. But there were no rust, and it's all original numbers.
Yeah.
They match.
Wow. That was a steal. $1,200.
No, 12,000.
12,000. Oh, there you go.
12,000.
I was going to say, that guy's got to find me one.
It was $12,000.
Yeah, that's
So
still for a rust-free one. That is a
Yeah,
steal.
that original color. I've got all the pictures of all the restorations.
Yep.
So,
And you got Corbeau racing seats
yes.
and a locking center console. Is the radio in the console there?
Yes. And he put both speakers so that if it gets wet, it doesn't matter.
Nice. Any future plans for it, or is it pretty much how you want it now?
It's pretty much how I want it. I plan on, I've got about 50,000 in.
And is it rhino lined in the tub?
Uh-huh.
Good. Let the rain
Marine
run right out.
speakers.
Yeah.
And a little trick we learned at Velocity Restorations had to do with the mounting of the rearview mirrors because they were shaking all over the place.
Yeah.
But there's a special kind of screw with a clamp or something on the other end of it. I forget what they call that thing. But up at Velocity, they told us about those. So we had a set of those put on and get away with that little aggravation.
Yep. It looks great, man. It is straight.
It is a really solid vehicle. This one is.